Have you ever come across something that seemed beyond saving, but you couldn't really resist giving it a go anyway? That's exactly how I felt when I found this old cement bird bath for free online. A bit of cleaning later and here it is, looking much better already. But now I'm stuck. Should I keep its rustic charm or smooth it out with some extra cement? When I first picked it up, it was covered in layers of dirt and algae, and honestly, I wasn't even sure it was worth the effort. But after a good clean, it actually has a lot of potential, don't you think? Sure, there are still some cracks and rough patches here and there, but now I'm torn. Do I go the extra mile and add more cement, or let the natural charm shine through? Let me show you what I mean. Some parts have cracks and uneven spots that give it a rustic look, kind of like it tells its own story. On the other hand, I could smooth it out with a layer of cement, which might make it stronger and more polished for years to come. What would you do? Keep it rustic or go for a smoother finish? I'd love to hear what you think. This project isn't just about making the bird bath look good. It's about creating a space for birds and wildlife to enjoy. Adding a bird bath can attract more visitors in your garden, which is really important for biodiversity. Plus, don't you love seeing birds splashing around while you're having a cuppa in the garden? So making this restoration just feels right. Like a small but meaningful step for the garden and its little guests. However, now I really need your help. I've set up a poll to decide what's next for this bird bath. Should I add more cement and smooth it out, or keep it rustic and natural? Head over, cast your vote, and let me know what you think. I'm counting on your input. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today and checking out this restoration project. I'm so excited to hear your thoughts and see what you all decide in the poll. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening projects. Let's keep building gardens that are beautiful, functional, and full of life. See you soon!